This is to show you how to burp a lid. I grew up in a generation that had Tupperware where we all knew how to burp a lid. So when you're putting a lid on, the air is going to get trapped in there. And if you would feel your hand over this, you would see that it's raised outward. And in order for it to be a good seal and also get the air out, you want to burp the lid. So what you're going to do is you're just going to lift a little bit of this lip up and the air will come out like a burp. And then you just put the thing back down and all the air is out of it. And so I'm just going to give it a burp, and then it's burped and the air is out.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here to see more nutrition, gardening, and cooking videos. New videos are posted each week. Give us a thumbs up and share this video if you enjoyed it. Be sure to click on the bell to never miss any of our fantastic videos. Enjoy!